Brought to you by Penguin.
A Shot to Save the World. The remarkable race and groundbreaking science behind the Covid-19 vaccines. By Greg Zuckerman. Read by Jack Armstrong.
For those who gave of themselves to help others. Cast of characters. Moderna. Stefan Bancel, Chief Executive and Master Fundraiser. Stephen Hoag, President and ex-McKinsey & Company consultant. Eric Wang, staffer who convinced Moderna to focus on vaccines. Carrie Beninato, organic chemist who solved key mRNA challenge. Juan Andres, head of vaccine manufacturing, stocked up on household supplies in early 2020. Robert Langer, chemical engineer, helped launch Moderna. Nubar Efeyan, Lebanese-born venture capitalist who hired Bancel. BioNTech, Ugur Shahin, co-founder, dreamed of developing cancer immunotherapies. Uslam Turechi, co-founder, cancer researcher. Thomas Strungmann, billionaire backer of Shahin, Turechi, and BioNTech. Pfizer, Albert Bourla, CEO, pushed for fast COVID-19 vaccine. Mikhail Dolston, chief scientist, became worried company picked wrong vaccine design. Catherine Jansen, vaccine research chief. Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, Dan Baruch, AIDS researcher, developed vaccine approach employing adenovirus serotype 26, worked with Johnson & Johnson. Oxford University, Adrian Hill, polarizing vaccine researcher who spent his career fighting malaria and being abrasive to his peers. Sarah Gilbert, chimpanzee virus specialist who designed COVID-19 vaccine. Novavax, Gail Smith, invented vaccine approach using insect viruses, developed AIDS vaccine at Microgenesis. Stanley Erck, CEO, Vietnam veteran. Gregory Glenn, president, former physician, hobbyist chicken farmer. Academic researchers. John Wolfe, mRNA pioneer at the University of Wisconsin. Eli Gilboa, achieved early mRNA advances at Duke University. Katalin Karikó, Hungarian-born researcher and die-hard mRNA advocate. Drew Weissman, worked with Karikó on mRNA breakthrough, feline fan. Luigi Warren, software engineer turned biologist. Derek Rossi, mRNA revolutionary, helped found Moderna. Jason McClellan, structural biologist, discovered way to keep spike protein in ideal form. Nianshuang Wang, native of China, worked on breakthrough coronavirus research. Government scientists. Anthony Fauci, top U.S. infectious disease expert. Barney Graham, deputy director, Vaccine Research Center, chased RSV vaccines, worked with Moderna on COVID-19 vaccine. John Mascola, director of the Vaccine Research Center, part of the National Institutes of Health's National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, NIAID. Kizzmekia Corbett, viral immunologist in Graham's lab. Microgenesis. Frank Wolfowitz, founder, chased AIDS vaccine. Introduction. In late January 2020, I traveled to Europe and the Middle East with my two sons. We had read reports describing a worrisome virus circulating in central China, and likely beyond. But the threat didn't seem immediate or especially worrisome. Walking through Heathrow Airport, my sons insisted on wearing makeshift face masks, but I yanked mine off. They were useless, health officials were advising, and might even invite danger. Every few years, it seemed, worries arose about some new virus or other. But the pathogens rarely had broad impact.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?